Royal Enfield launches the 2021 New Classic 350. The all-new Classic adds a new chapter to Royal Enfield's legacy of building authentic post-war era British motorcycles that are loved by enthusiasts around the world. The legacy of the Classic dates back to 1948 with the groundbreaking Royal Enfield Model G2, the first to have swing-arm rear suspension on a full production motorcycle. As dependable as it was beautiful, the Model G2 served as a strong design inspiration for the hugely popular Classic 500 and Classic 350 launched in 2008. Its simple and elegant design philosophy with signature styling details combined with a commanding, comfortable riding stance and dependable UCE engine made it a favorite amongst leisure motorcycle enthusiasts. The signature post-war British motorcycle styling with visual harmony accentuated by flowing lines from front to the tail continues to make the Classic 350 a visual treat. The motorcycle bears the distinct teardrop-shaped tank and the classic Royal Enfield casket that houses a new headlamp along with the signature Tiger lamps, pilot lights, an enduring feature on Royal Enfield motorcycles since 1954. Engine. Powered by the modern, globally appreciated 349cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine launched recently on the Meteor. The all-new Classic 350 brings in new level of comfort, smoothness, and refinement in ride experience. With the 349cc fuel-injected air oil-cooled engine, the Classic generates a power of 20.2 bhp at 6,100 rpm and a torque of 27 Nm at 4,000 rpm, resulting in a strong low-end grunt and super smooth linear power delivery across the band, making the ride enjoyable and effortless. The chassis. The all-new chassis is built for superior comfort and maneuverability. Designed to be stiffer, the chassis encourages more confidence at higher cornering speeds and feels planted and stable on straight roads. The front and rear suspension has been extensively developed for more comfortable saddle time. With better ride ergonomics and more confident braking, the Classic 350 feels agile and responsive and promises to heighten the ride experience each time. New features. The new Classic has a new wider seats with soft foam cushioning padding. With brand new handlebars, the riding position has been subtly tweaked to further improve comfort whilst maintaining the familiar Classic feeling. Bringing in the modern touch is the new Digi-analog instrument cluster that houses an LCD info panel. A USB charging point will be mounted below the handlebar for convenience of quick charging on the go. The turn-by-turn tripper navigation pod is available as a make-it-yours accessory, MIY, on the Chrome variant. MIY is a truly unique Royal Enfield tool that encourages self-expression, allows riders to personalize and customize their motorcycles. Price. The Classic 350 will be available at a starting price of Rs 1,84,374 for the Redditch series, topping at 2,15,118 for the Classic Chrome. Finally, the variants. The Royal Enfield Classic 350 is available in 5 new exciting variants with 11 colorways, beginning with the Redditch series, the Cyclones, the Classic Signals, the Dark series, and the Classic Chrome. All variants are equipped with dual channel ABS and dual disc brakes, except the Redditch variant that has single channel ABS and disc brakes at front. With this new addition to the motorcycling range that Royal Enfield has launched after successfully showcasing that it can produce international standard product like the Interceptor 650 and the GT 650, they launched the Meteor 350 some time back. And now the Classic makes way for more modern, classic look-feel motorcycle, which will set another milestone towards Royal Enfield's legacy in building classic motorcycles. So let us know in the comment section below, what do you feel about this motorcycle now, especially when the price point is not that different from the previous generation motorcycles. And if you feel that they could have done something better, please let us know. We will like to have a conversation with you about it and probably convey the same to the manufacturers so that they can come back with better features in the next set of variants. Till then, enjoy and keep riding.